basically just go through some of the highlights and some of the main points that they talked about. And of course, we can ask questions based on my personal experiences. One of them is education. I mean, it's something that who doesn't know that education is important, crucial. With education, you have the chance to make the right decisions. With education, you're accepted in society, you're not ignorant. It's broad. And it doesn't stop today. Most of you are from 5, from 6? From 6, yeah. Doesn't mean when you write your last paper. It doesn't mean that's the end of education. Education only stops when you stop breathing. Okay, even me sitting here listening to Shadrach and this guy is rapping as it's a learning process, it's ongoing. So take it seriously. I'll give you a classic example of some of the negative, I call them vibes when it comes to my education. In my 6, after my 6 actually, results came out, and guess what? City high. Results came out and my old man became broke. Sent his out, he told me, you know what? Results are out, but there's no money. You understand? At that point in time, between me and you, I think that's when I became a real man. That's when I decided to, take things in my own hands, and I said, I'm not going to succumb to my old man's failures. You understand? I'm not going to cry about responsibility. Like they said, the rest of history, I think what I had to, put myself together and pull myself through. But it was because of the push it given me from kindergarten to primary to O-level that I was able to tell between what's good for me as regards to my future. And today I can confidently say that I'm what I am today because of the decision I made at that time. If I just sat back and said, to leave Africa, there's no money, I'll probably be sweeping the roads, working for cases or something. You understand? So take education seriously, and it doesn't stop. With education,